Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching. Today we will show you guys how to remove and replace a front door computer. Okay, the module on Mercedes E-Class from 2003 until 2009. This is the W211 E-Class. So first we'll need to remove the door panel. Stay with us and let's go ahead and do that and we can get to the computer. Okay guys, so first, okay, we need to get a T20 Torx 20 bit. Okay, this one right here. And we'll need to remove, okay, that screw right there. Okay, we'll need to pull the cover out. You can see how it goes out. Careful not to break those because usually they're very breakable. Okay, next with the prying tool, we'll need to remove that cover. Okay, you can see right there. Let me turn the light on so we can see a little bit better. Okay, this is the cover. Okay, next you need a Phillips screwdriver and there is one screw that you need to remove right there. Okay, and you can see the size of the screw now. Next, we need to go underneath right here and we need to remove that cover. Okay, you just pry it open. It has a few clips on it. Okay, let me get the light so we can see better. Okay, so we have the two screws that we need to remove here. The same Phillips screwdriver now. That's what we've been working with. Okay, like that. Next we need to remove the cover for the mirror right here for the tweeter. So you just push it towards the back, comes out. Okay, that's the one. You don't even need to unhook the tweeter. Okay, so now with the prying tool, there is a few clips, and a good thing guys, before you start doing that, you probably should buy some replacement clips because those go bad usually. Sometimes they'll break. Okay, you can see we pop them like that and then you need to lift up. We'll need to unscrew, okay, this one, the unlock. You just unscrew it counterclockwise, okay, like that. And you need to come out of there. Okay, sometimes they'll be stuck really good, believe me. That's because it goes in the seal there. Okay, and you can see the panel came out. Stay with us to show you where all the clips are. Okay, now we need to disconnect, okay, the cable right here. So you need to pull towards the back, go like that. And now you need to twist it in an angle, okay? And we'll need to disconnect all the wires now. Okay, so one person will need to hold the panel because those can go bad really easy. Okay, so press down and pull them out. Okay, let's see what else is holding there. Okay, this black one only. Okay guys, our clips didn't break, but sometimes they will and they're replaceable. We'll have the link on our website mechaniclifestyle.com. So you can see two clips there, one in the corner, three on the bottom, one in the corner and one more there. Okay, so that's where the clips are, you know where to apply more pressure. Okay guys, you gotta make sure you disconnect the battery, both terminals, at least 30 minutes before the repair. Forgot to mention that earlier, you have to do it to make sure you don't burn anything. Okay, and now we can go ahead and disconnect the wires, okay, by pressing, okay, there, and pulling. You can see, don't put too much pressure on the wires, grab the clip preferably. Okay, okay, that thing is out now. Okay, so now we need to squish on top and bottom. Okay, once we remove it, I'll show you exactly what we're talking about on the other side as well there. Okay, and this is guys the door computer. Okay, those are the clips on top holding. Okay, when you squeeze them you can close them like that. you can see this is the computer right here. So that's how you guys remove it. Thank you guys for watching. Please. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.